Welcome. In front of me I have LG K50S, and today I'll show you how you can activate Google Assistant on the smartphone. So first we have to move to the Play Store and get the latest version of the Google app. So if you have here the update button, you have to tap on it, and after update you can open this app. Right now let's go for the more, tap on the settings, go for the Google Assistant, and then click on the general, it's right here, tap on the switcher, click turn on, and as you can see right now our Google Assistant is activated. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.